Today we're going to announce the winner of the Home Stereo System Prize Package from Dayton Audio. The DTA100LF is a stylish desktop amplifier designed by Dayton Audio specifically for low-frequency application. Add this and a subwoofer to your system and you have just unlocked awesome sound with both power and control. Learn more about the DTA100LF on partsexpress.com and get one for yourself. If you are interested in portable amp boards and customization with DSP, we put a link in the description to a video by YouTuber123Toyd as he explains how easy it is to use the new Dayton Audio KABD Amp Boards. Endless customization made simple. Make sure to leave a comment on his video thanking him for walking you through it. We asked our Facebook followers what gear they had in their vehicles, and by far the most popular speakers were subwoofers in the Ultimax line, and then very specifically the AMT POD-4 tweeters. It's clear these are fan favorites, and if you haven't checked them out, now is the time. Last month, Dayton Audio was giving away a high-performance stereo system which included the HTA100BT. And the winner is Joe N. from Natrona Heights, Pennsylvania. Big congratulations to Joe. We'll be in touch soon. Now, if you didn't win, don't worry. Right now, there's another contest going on where you can win a $250 shopping spree from Parts Express. Get your cart and go. Check out our giveaway page to enter, and good luck. We'll see you next month.